The purpose of this lab is to describe how thunderstorms work and how protons and electrons affect the atmosphere and Earth. We researched how lightning and thunder works in a thunderstorm and took notes. Once this was done, we split the work up and began our movie process, starting with finding pictures and diagrams of movement in air during the storm. The rules. Sam researched purpose, process, rules, visuals, and conclusion, while Sarah did the research steps, explanation of how electrons move, and works cited page.
Polarization occurs when electrons and protons between two clouds interact by one cloud's electrons being pushed to the opposite side to allow the clouds to attract. This leads to conduction because two clouds touch and transfer electrons to one big cloud. Polarization mainly occurs during the intracloud phase, when the electrons gravitate towards the bottom of the cloud while the protons remain toward the top of the cloud, since the protons never transfer. The transfer of electrons is due to induction and grounding. This is because the lightning bolt never actually touches the ground. Instead, the bolt hits sources that are in the air, like trees, since protons remain in the higher areas. When lightning occurs, the lightning creates a channel or hole which the electrons travel toward the positively charged trees or ground. Once the lightning has struck, hot air is released and is constantly moving within the cool air until the air collapses into the cloud, creating the boom sound, also known as the shock wave. Stage 1, the trees, clouds, and atmosphere are in a neutral state and charge. This is during the raining part of the storm. While this is happening, the trees are going through polarization when the electrons are being pulled to the bottom of the cloud. In stage 2, conduction is occurring because the electrons are easily transferring into the lightning channel. However, in stage 3, when the lightning hits the tree, induction and grounding occur due to the fact that lightning never hits the tree and the tree acts like a portal that can absorb the electrons.
In this video, we have learned that the electrons and protons play a role in creating the storm and how the movement of the charges affect the storm.
Everybody watching now. Come on, girl, you gotta break it.